Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural channel. Today we are collaborating with Tips with Nikki. Tips with Nikki channel is a channel that does a lot of things. They do natural hair tutorials. They also do cooking, lifestyle, and different things. We are collaborating with them to do a needle and thread hairstyle, and she's going to do an interesting needle and thread hairstyle, and I'm also going to do one that you all have been requesting so much for us to do this. So please, after watching our videos, please check out Nikki's channel, and our channel is Tips with Nikki. Okay, let's get started. Today we are going to do the needle and thread style with Tolani's hair. We're going to do a very simple style. We got some colored thread, so it's kind of, you can't really see it. Let me just, so we're gonna use this color thread in our hair. So for this style, I'm going to divide our hair in half. So now for this side of our hair, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a small section over here like this. So just take it and just divide the hair like this. So now this section over here, I'm going to divide it into half. Very simple. Then take this, I'm going to put this away. So this is the black yarn that I'm going to use for the sides. So in the last video when I did this threading, I knotted the hair, the thread onto the hair, but this time I'm going to show you how to do it without knotting the thread onto the hair. So take the needle and put it through the hair like that, and once you do this, you're going to keep on pulling it like this. So when you get the thread about, I want to say about 3 inches, you stop. Okay, and then you take the thread and you're just gonna hold it. You want to secure it with the adjacent hair. Okay, so the thread is in through the hair, and you're just gonna go like this and go over the thread. Okay, you're just going over the thread. You're not knotting it. You can see this is not a knot. We're just going over the thread like that. Okay, so then we're just gonna continue threading in intervals. Very simple. And just going around like that. Once I use the colored thread, you'll see how much easier it is. So you are holding the hair taut and holding the loose thread so that it doesn't come, the whole thing doesn't come loose. Just keep on going like that. Make sure the hair doesn't overlap on the thread and tangle anything up. Okay, let's keep on going like this. You're just going in intervals and working your way through. Like that. Okay, so we've done one of this, and I noticed that I had to redo it again. So I want to show you something that I discovered. When I'm doing it, what I did to make sure, because our hair is very curly and it wants to curl on top of the yarn. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the hair and I roll it just to control it from being too curly. So I roll it a little bit as I'm going. So now you can see I kind of rolled about 1 inch like this, and then I'm able to control the way the yarn falls on the hair. So now I can go in and I can start threading as normal, get about 3 inches of the thread, and I can now take that and even roll that into the hair. So just roll it into the hair to hide it, and this works great especially if you are using colored thread. I'm going to show you how I do it in bigger hair. So just take it, and then we're just going to be going in interval as we stitch it up. So similar routine, but I'm actually just rolling it just to control the way the thread is placed. So we've threaded it, and we were able to only thread 2 of it instead of 3. So we just have to go with 2. and I'm just going to cut it. Do you have the scissors? Just cut it off over there. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to do my rolling thing that I told you guys. I'm rolling towards the path like that, and you can see how curly our hair is. I'm just going to roll it just a little bit to get me started. So right at the widow's peak, right over here, I don't want to get too close to the edges, so right over there, you'll see how I do it so that I don't knot it up. So I'm going to put it through, and now you notice my thread has finished. So with my thread finished, you guys will wonder, what am I gonna do? So this is what you're gonna do. So if your thread is about finished, what you want to do is that you want to stop, you want to release the thread, and then you're gonna retread this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my hair clip, so take a hair clip and hold everything down so that nothing moves. Okay, so I've threaded it. So what you do is you take the clip gently out, and this loose one, you try and you might want to trim it down. So I'm just going to trim it down a little bit. Okay, and I'm going to pull it, and I'm going to, let me show you what I'm doing. I'm tucking it inside, and I'm going to roll it up. Okay, so that it doesn't come off, and then I'll just start my retreading. Now, to start my retreading, now we're doing basically the same thing that I did here. We're not knotting it up. So what I do is I'm just taking the hair. That's why it's very important to at least make sure that your thread is long enough. I'm putting it through the hair like this. Okay, so once I put it, remember this is a thicker amount of hair for those people that don't want to do. So when I put it through the hair like this, I'm going to take this thread that is loose on this side, I'm going to swing it in like this and tuck that into the back and then roll it up. Okay, and I'm going to just continue threading like normal. You can fix all this loose area. I'm just gonna get this. So like this, you can fix all this by just moving the thread and moving it to the right spot so that it doesn't have that crossing thing. Okay, so we're done with the hairstyle, and this is what it looks like from the top. That's what it looks like, and then from the side, this is what this side looks like. And then going to the other side, this is what this side looks like. that is what it looks like, and this is what it looks like at the back. So you can decide to twist up the ends of the hair. I just thought I'll just leave it. She'll probably twist it up or do something different. So this is the style. If you guys like it, let us know. And please don't forget to go to Tips with Nikki's channel. I'll put her channel link down in the description area below. And this is Tolini's hair. So if you guys like it, if you guys recreate it, let us know. But thank you so much for watching.
See you guys in the next video. Bye.